Hey everyone, today, we're diving into the latest on the highly anticipated OnePlus 13, which is set to hit the US soon after its official debut in China on October 31st. Thanks to some fresh FCC certification details, we've got exciting info to share. First up, let's talk about this FCC listing. The team at 91 Mobile spotted the OnePlus 13 on the FCC site, listed under model number CPH2655, confirming its upcoming US release. Now, while the FCC doesn't explicitly name it the OnePlus 13, this model number matches up with other listings, so it's pretty clear we're looking at OnePlus's latest flagship, primed for a US rollout shortly after China. And here's where things get even better. The OnePlus 13 will reportedly come with options for both leather and glass backs. Imagine the feel of premium leather or the sleek look of polished glass. Having options like this on a flagship really adds that next-level touch, letting you pick a design that fits your style. Now, onto the software. According to the FCC, the OnePlus 13 will ship with Oxygen OS 15, based on the new Android 15. If you're a OnePlus fan, you know Oxygen OS is all about smoothness and performance, and with version 15, OnePlus promises even better optimization, new features, and improved battery management. It's fantastic to see the OnePlus 13 being one of the first devices to roll out with this fresh OS right out of the box. Timing-wise, things are looking promising. The OnePlus 12 hit global markets about 2 months after its China release, but with the OnePlus 13 launching earlier, we may see it arrive in the US by year's end, perfect for a holiday upgrade if you're looking to step up your device game. That's all for now. If you're excited to get your hands on this flagship or just curious about what's coming, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more update. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.